So we are coming on to amath circles. So amath circles is an extension of amath chord job. So a lot of things that happen in amath chord job will also happen here. So it's just that we are adding on a format for the equation of circle. So it's very much like when we start learning amath chord job, we learned about equation of a straight line. So when we talk about equation of a straight line, the format will be mx plus c. This is the part that tells the gradient, and this is the part that tells the y-intercept. So these are the feature of a straight line equation. So same thing, there will be a feature for circles. The thing that identifies circles will be the center. So the center will identify the circle. So the center is the part where if you use your compass, it's the part where you put the sharp end. Then you use it to draw the compass. You use it to draw the circle. So the center will indicate where is the circle. Okay, and then the radius is the one that determines the size of the circle. The center is the one that indicate the location of the circle. So it's something like, so I can give you an example later on. Okay, so the feature is here. So this is the equation formats. The feature looks a bit like Pythagoras theorem. So you put in the two feature. The two feature will be the center. So this is the x coordinate of the center. And then this is the y coordinate of the center. And this is a radius. So in any question, if you are asked to find the equation of a circle, you should be asking yourself, where is the center? Where is the radius? You will need these two features before you can set up the equation of a circle. Okay, so for example, in the first question, 1a, if I have a center 0, 0, so my circle will be located here, and the radius is 5 units. So if you try to draw it through, it will look something like this. So that is the circle. Okay, then how are you going to get the equation? So which means, right, if you look, this is A, this is B, and the radius is 5. So you put it inside your format. Nothing special. You just put in the A, you put in the B, and you put in the radius. That will become the equation. Okay, but do take note that the formula is always a minus. So if your A is negative, then you will have a double negative that makes it positive. So for example, like 2b, okay, there is a negative. So if you look at 2b, this is A, this is B. The radius is 10. So put it inside the formats. So you put it inside your format, you will get a x plus 9 square, a y minus 4 square, 100. So you can leave it in this way, or you can expand it out. Okay, so usually, okay, you might need to expand it out. So you use your quadratic expansion. You use your quadratic expansion, make sure you expand correctly. That's your Sec 2 expansion. Then we try to bring everything over. So when we try to bring everything over, you group the squaring together. You group the X and Y together. And you group all the numbers together. So you punch calculator. Okay. You also bring over the 100. So this is called the expanded form. So this is the expanded form of the circle. So you will need to be able to expand correctly. But this is the part that indicate whether you get the equation correct or not. Okay, so if you are asked to find equation of circle, you make sure you know center and radius. Once you know center and radius, insert into the format. So the circle equation format. So this is the format of the equation of circle. So it's just like your straight line. Once you know your gradient, you insert it. So right now I need to put in the circle, the center, x coordinate of center, y coordinate of center, and radius. So the next part will be, what if I have given you the equation in this format? Will you be able to work backwards to tell me the center? So this will also be a requirement. So if you are given an equation of a circle, no matter what, you must know how to get the center radius. That will be the foundation thing. So how are you going to get back to that part? Okay, we'll look at the next example. But before that, this is the basic idea. The basic idea is you need the center, you need the radius, so that you can get the equation of a circle successfully.